Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on the Dodge Journey, which is the same vehicle as Fiat Freemont in the rest of the world guys. And what we'll be doing here today, we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the rear blower motor. So if you have the rear blower motor, you know, the rear climate controls, you're going to have a rear blower motor. And we have a video how to replace the motor and all that stuff, so it's on the channel. But if you have the controls, okay, and the hose in the ceiling, you have a rear blower motor, and you can check out in the on the channel guys where it is, how to replace it and all that stuff. Now let us show you guys where the fuse is. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money here guys as we can. So we need to go to the passenger side now, and you will notice that we removed the glove box. You do not need to do that. We removed it so we can gain a little bit more room to stick the camera in there. You will have a glove fuse box, okay, right here underneath the glove box. Okay, that fuse box guys, okay, on the back side of the cap you will see the fuse numbers. We need to find fuse number 114. Okay, it says rear HVAC 114, and this is a 20 amp fuse. So this is the fuse, okay, right here. This is for the rear HVAC. This is for the rear blower motor. Now we'll have the video guys how to replace it. Check it out if you need to replace the blower motor, but always check the fuse first. In addition, you can find the fuse listed in the description of the video below for your convenience if you need to buy a new one. You'll see where we got them from and all that stuff. So thank you guys for watching. Please. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.